Hey guys, what's happening? So I made a dual subtitle loader using AI, using Claude Code. Now, a couple of months ago, I tried it and I wasn't able to do it. And then I had a friend do it for me. And I often come back and test how AI has improved. The fact that I was able to make this with Claude is mind-blowing to me. You can load the subtitles. So this has two API subtitles and reader mode. Reader mode is basically you can catch anything on the page, and API subtitles is if the video has API hosted somewhere, it brings those API, loads it, and shows it in the container. And if you hover over the words, it shows you the meaning by talking to a dictionary. You can click it and then the card will stay, and you can add it to the app that we have made. There's a lot of planning going on, and this is how I keep track of what I'm doing, what features need to be made, exactly where I am right now in that. So even if I hit rate limits from Claude, I'm able to come back to it later and finish and start exactly where I started. So this works on YouTube for now, but very soon it should work on Netflix and Crunchyroll and other websites, as well as with ASP Player.